Have you ever finished a class feeling completely drained or found yourself holding back on a jump because your knees weren't just feeling it? As dance fitness instructors, we pour in so much energy into our class, but are we truly preparing our bodies for the demands we put on them? Today, I'm diving deep into a topic that I believe is revolutionary for dance fitness instructors, the unseen benefits of muscle strength for instructors. It's not just about the cardio, folks. It's about building a resilient and powerful body that can sustain you, elevate your teaching, and keep you doing something that you love for years to come. So stick around, and I'm going to share my own experience about how incorporating strength training diligently into my routine transformed my teaching, my energy levels, and my ability to execute moves better. Hello and welcome to episode 47 of the Instructor Playbook by Akanksha Dave, your guide to look back on and take inspiration from my journey and my experiences. Let me take you back with me. For years, I had been incorporating strength training in my routine, but I never prioritized it in a way that I do now. And back then, there was a time, like any instructor starting fresh, where my day was completely packed with back-to-back cardio-based dance fitness classes. And it was very easy for me to blame my routine into not getting another workout in the gym. Don't make the same mistake that I did. Your classes are not your workout. I remember multiple such moments earlier when I used to teach my classes and at events and in longer duration sessions where I had immense high energy during the session, but my energy was all over the place. Many would appreciate that energy, but it made me realize slowly that high energy does not correlate to cleaner and stronger moves. Another thing was that I may be giving higher energy during that one song or that one class, but was I able to sustain it for longer? Was my recovery faster? Or was I feeling more drained after teaching every session? That was a turning point when I realized that I had to dedicatedly incorporate strength training into my routine, which I had always dabbled upon, but I never prioritized. Well, listen to what I'm about to say next, because these are the exact changes that I felt, and you too can change your fatigue into fierce energy by doing the same. Increased power and dynamics. The first change that I noticed was with my moves. They became stronger, more cleaner, more explosive, and I could land each and every move with so much control. Unbelievable endurance. This was huge. I went from being completely spent to having high sustained energy throughout. My voice projection remained strong. I was never out of breath. My enthusiasm didn't waver, and I could maintain high intensity demonstrations throughout for every single track. Banished pain and improved stability. Those constant body aches, they virtually disappeared. My lower back felt strong and solid. My knees were strong. My moves were rooted to the ground. My turns were incredibly stable. All of this internal muscular strength made me more confident so that I could pour that energy and that mental focus on my students, on my choreography, and not on managing my own body. New creative freedom. When you're not limited by your body, and by that I absolutely do not mean the size, but the strength, a whole new world of choreography opens up. I found myself incorporating more challenging moves. I added some big layers, and I also was very experimental because I knew that my body had the capacity. Faster recovery. Soreness became less intense, and it didn't linger for long enough. I woke up every day feeling refreshed and ready for the next day's class rather than feeling very stiff and depleted with all my energy. Incorporating strength training into my routine immensely changed the way I have been performing, I've been teaching, and it can do the same for you. So I have to say that instructors, challenge yourself this week. How can you incorporate strength training into your routine if you haven't yet? Even small steps will lead to a monumental change, and your body, your students, and your future self will thank you for it.